Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Dave here. I'm going to do an install for you today. The Challenger emblem. I have the block lettering on my Challenger and I wanted to replace it with the script lettering. So I'm going to do that for you today. So we'll get to it. We're going to be replacing the block lettering here with the script lettering. So you want to make sure it's a genuine Mopar accessory. I got this off of eBay for about $44, 44 and change. So we'll get to trying to take off the old one and install the new one. There's just a few clips we need to know about here. This should just pop right out. Should. Okay, so I went and got a prying tool here. Let's see if that would help me get this off. It's on there pretty snug. Great if you could see behind it, but you can't. Not having much success here. Watched other channels and they seem to pop out pretty easy. I'll keep working at it. Well, hey YouTube, welcome back. I just wanted to do a follow-up with you on my front badge emblem on the grill replacement. After doing some research, it really was having difficulty trying to pull it off with my fingers. And they have two rivets on the back. It's like impossible to do that. So I wasn't going to take the front bumper off. So I did some research online and did some reading and found that there's a simple way to do it. You're not going to be able to use your old badge, which is no problem for me because I didn't like it anyways. But you're going to have to drill through the badge so that it releases the rivets, and you can get the old badge off and put the new badge on. So you're gonna need a 7/32 drill bit, and you gotta drill through the C and the H and the E. So you drill through those 2 points and it'll pop right out. Popping in the new one is very easy. I just clipped right in, and there it is. Doesn't that look beautiful? That's the new badge. So that way you don't damage your grill, you don't break anything, and it's an easy replacement. So there you have it. Easy badge replacement. You don't have to tear the whole thing apart to get to it. Just drill a couple holes and bam, you're set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Check out my other videos and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button for future videos that'll be coming up, and like. All right, take care. Remember, get revved up.